I know it's only October, but Christmas is on the way, and if there's anything I know about the month of December is that it can get quite expensive. So if you're someone looking to make some extra cash for Christmas, for the month of December, or for whatever reason, then this video may be for you. Personally, when I started looking for side hustle ideas or side job ideas on the internet, on YouTube, there are loads out there, but many of them do require a certain amount of time until you get your investment back, until you start seeing money back. In this video, I'll be talking about options that won't require you significant amount of time until you get your money back. So this is why in this video I am not going to include things such as starting a blog, a YouTube channel, or starting your own business, because those are the options that will require some time for you to see money coming back into your pocket, and to be honest, some of them won't even make it. And in the future I'll be talking about other side hustle ideas that may require a bit more investment and can generate you maybe a bit more money. However, if that's something that you're interested in, then do hit that subscribe button for the future. With that being said, you can start freelancing right now to make you some extra cash this month. I am starting with this side hustle because I think this is the easiest way to start. We all currently have something or some skills that we are currently contributing to our current employer, so why not using the exact same skill to earn you some extra cash? For me, this is exactly what I'm doing at the moment. I am full-time employed by a company as a senior management accountant, and on the weekends I do provide small accounting services or accounting system services such as migration or system training. You can utilize websites such as People Per Hour or Upwork. You can put your services or projects or jobs that you can provide on the website and just wait to be contacted by someone that needs the job done. Alternatively, you can be a bit more active with your jobs and projects that you can offer by searching for existing projects or jobs that someone already posted, and you can contact that person directly, give them a quote, and that way you might be able to bring the cash a bit quicker. Now, you may think that you don't really have any skills or anything to offer, but trust me, we all do. What I would recommend doing just to generate some ideas is that go onto these websites and browse through the categories that they have and see where your skills may fit into these categories. Sometimes it doesn't come to you straight away, but once you see this list, something may hit you and it makes you think, oh, actually I can do this one, and actually I can do this one too. Similarly to the freelancing websites, if you're someone who prefers to work with your hands, then handy jobs or jobs might be your thing. You can utilize websites such as TaskRabbit, Need Help, or My Builder to offer anything from mounting a TV or a mirror to bigger tasks such as installing a kitchen. Again, there are various of skills that you could be offering here, so do check this one out as well. Question: how many languages do you speak? Well, we're all fluent in at least one language, so why don't consider becoming a language tutor? Some parents or students might prefer someone with a proper qualification. For example, if you're planning to teach someone English, some parents or students might prefer you to have a TOEFL to teach English to non-native English speakers. However, there are many students out there who just want to practice their speaking skills, so they would actually go to anyone who are native English speakers that will have time to practice speaking with them. Of course, you might not be able to charge as much as someone who is qualified. However, it doesn't really require prior education or investment, so I think it is kind of fair. A website that I know that you can offer the tutor service and find potential students is a website called tutorful.co.uk. However, Facebook group is actually another brilliant way to find potential language students. For example, I know there are group chats on Facebook for native Thai speakers who are looking to learn language, and within these Facebook groups, there, of course, majority of them will be learners. However, I have noticed there are some teachers in there as well, just interacting with the students and offering their services. So if you're someone that looking to or can teach English, then consider asking your non British friends or non-native English speaker friends, if they know any Facebook groups for English learners, and then all you have to do is just join the group, interacting with the students, and make it known that you offer the tutor services. If you like pets, then pet sitting or dog walking could be a great option for you. As a dog owner myself, I can tell you that there are so many lockdown puppies out there, and in these days I find it so very difficult to find someone to look after my dog when I am going away for a day trip, a weekend trip, or going somewhere that I can't take him with me, because the places get booked up so quickly, and a lot of time there are only certain limited number of dogs or pets that each daycare allowed at one go. So it can be very difficult to get someone to look after my dog. So that's why this side hustle can be quite lucrative. The website that I've used before to find pet sitter is called care.com, so check that one out. I think you can also offer a childcare service on there as well as pet care. So yeah, if that's something that more of your interest, then you can also offer childcare. However, I would say though that with pet sitting, I would highly recommend you to go to their houses instead of bringing the pet back to yours and sit at yours, because you know, the last thing you want is In terms of pet care, another service that you can provide is dog walking. Depending on where you're based in the UK or in the world, here in London, you can charge around £15 per an hour walk. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot. However, you can take multiple dogs with you in one go, and that's when the money can become more appealing. Another way to make money is just to look around your house and see if there's anything that you can rent out. I'm not talking about small item here, I'm talking about big item. Let me give you an example. During the summer, we wanted to do our garden, or the majority of the work, we wanted to do it ourselves. And one of the jobs would actually require us to have a rotavator. Now, knowing that we will only be using this piece of equipment once, and this piece of equipment is actually quite expensive, I looked at Facebook Marketplace to see if I could rent this somewhere, and to my surprise, there are loads of people offering this tool for rent per day. So if you're someone who has like expensive equipment that you normally use, but there are days that you don't use them, then yes, rent them out. If you have a driveway that you don't really use, or you may have two driveways and you only have one car, then you can also rent your driveway out. If you're someone who is fortunate enough to have too many rooms then you can also rent your room out, Airbnb it. The options are endless. So look around your house, look at what you have and see what you can rent out in order to make money that way. I really do hope that you found this video helpful, and it would really mean the world to me if you hit that like button and turn it into beautiful blue. I'll see you next time. Bye.